amoy ruwan no do tao snack sila talaga.
Nagtatago yung may ano. Ba't parang ang liit ng ano nito? Yan, hindi namin alam ba't ang liit ng ano ni Maliden. Hindi ba ginagamit ito? Pasensya na kayo guys ha. Hindi ko ito vlog. This is not my vlog. Vlog ni Maliden kaya ako lang daw muna. Ayan guys. Ayan, kasama namin yung mga bata. Saan ba kayo pumunta?
Dito nagpatakot si Nela.
Ah, dito?
Pero home service siya.
Wala na. Oh, you. Oh, you.
Yung malaki ay isang malaki.
Mag-live ka?
Ano na nabibidyo na tanong.
Kain guys, oh.
Premier Tanto.
Premier Dayo.
Kaya nakabidyo na tayo.
Guys, oh. That's it, guys. Edit mo na lang.
Mag-live ka na, kada pa na naka-live mo kami. Marami daw tayo nandiyan eh. Rian. Uy. Ito yung nibang niya. Ito na tayo po. Dito na. Dito tayo.
So na may kasama hiyawan. Come on. Ako parang hina naman. Isa pa nga, ladies and gentlemen, or the people of El Jardín. Before we start this, one of us malakas na panakpakan na may kasama hiyawan. Come on. Muli sa magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, one of my great fascination is watching people evolve over time. This whole Chipping's birthday is just the first day of another 365 days of journey around the sun. And this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, together with the management and the full staff of El Jardín Restaurant, we would like to welcome you here as we are celebrating the gift of life that He has given to Mami Teresita, who is now celebrating her 80th birthday. And of course, apo inyo nag-iisang na ng bayan, ang na barangay, ang na muli ng Manuel Christian Nico, na we are host for this very blessed occasion. As pointer, requesting everybody to please stand up. Tumayo po ang lahat as we give our warmest welcome to our celebrator. Tumayo po ang lahat. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mami Teresita together with her husband, Mr. Willie Orbacan. Wala po tayo mas malakas na palakpakan. Ladies and gentlemen, the grand entrance of our birthday celebrator, we have Mami Teresita together with Daddy Willie Orbacan. Napakahina po na palakpakan. Come on! It is once again, ladies and gentlemen, the grand entrance of our birthday celebrator, Mami Teresita Orbacan. Maraming salamat. And I invite everybody to please remain standing as we once again, ladies and gentlemen, the members of our 8 gift, wala po tayo mas malakas na palakpakan.
Happy birthday! See you soon, Bye! Mother, I love you! Bye!
Kaano po si Mami Teresita? Oh, hindi niyo po. Yung anak is best friend. So, alright, ito na, Ma'am. Ma'am Marlene, hindi ko narinig na nag-darna ka.
Nakakuha na, mahina signal. Malabo ka na. Nagpipretira.
Salamat po ako sa aking pumunta sa birthday ni nanay. Kahit maraming hindi nakadalos dahil sa panahon ngayon, mas marami pa rin pumunta. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. We have Ma'am Annalyn Orbaza. Alright, muli mga kaibigan, maraming salamat. At syempre, for my best, don't think twice to travel with the restaurant. Only here again for the beautiful and elegant setup together with our delicious food. So once again, El Jardín Restaurant, ang sagot sa inyong mga okasyon. Muli, maraming salamat. Ingat po kayo sa inyong pag-uwi mga kaibigan. The birthday song for Mami Teresita. Here we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time, mas malakas. ready? You can blow your birthday candle. Sana all ang laki ng cake. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, wala po tayo mas mga sa pagkakain for our birthday celebrator, Mommy Teresita. Again, happy birthday po, Mommy. Ayan, sige po. This time, makakapo na po lahat habang sinaserve po yung mga pagkain. Let's have a photo opportunity together with our celebrator birthday will po. Again, let's have the photo op birthday will po before you have your meal. Mommy, balik po kayo sa gitna. And let's begin.